In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding juxtamedullary nephron. Option A. Loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into medulla. Juxtamedullary nephrons are those nephrons that have long loops of Henle that extend deep into the medulla, and it is very useful for the formation of concentrated urine. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B. Juxtamedullary nephrons outnumber the cortical nephrons. Now, this is incorrect because cortical nephrons are more numerous than juxtamedullary nephrons, and it comprises of nearly 85% of all nephrons in the kidney. Option C. Juxtamedullary nephrons are located in the columns of Botany. This is also incorrect because columns of Botany are extensions of the renal cortex of the kidney between the renal pyramids, and they do not include the juxtamedullary nephrons. Option D. Renal corpuscle of juxtamedullary nephron lies in the outer portion of the renal medulla. Now, this is also incorrect because the renal corpuscles of juxtamedullary nephrons are located at the junction of the cortex and the medulla of the kidney, and not within the medulla itself.